Today we are going to discuss about ROS framework. Before getting into ROS2 framework, we have to familiarize two terms. First one is node and second one is topic. Executed code files which utilizes ROS functionality is called as a node. Basically, a node is a program which does one or more processes. A node can be written in C++ or Python. Topic is basically a channel for communication. Here we suppose we can call this channel as a talker. Don't bother about this at this moment. It is just for making it easy to understand the framework part. Suppose if we have two nodes or two ROS programs, one is written in Python and another one is written in C++. These two nodes can communicate with each other using a common channel for communication. This common channel is called topic and this two ROS program or process is called as node. It is not limited to one, but it can be multiplied to any numbers as per we wish. Let's get into ROS2 framework. First, we have to understand these features provided by ROS2. Let's see what are the things ROS2 offers to us. First thing is DDS. Here the D stand for first D stand for data, and the second D stand for distribution, and S stand for services. So DDS means data distribution services, which is just a communication channel, communication pipeline. Let's see here, it is just a pipeline. Just think about normal pipeline. So DDS means a normal communication pipeline. Let's look at these nodes. Here we have two C++ programs, ROS programs, which compiled and become ROS executable. That means here now it is compiling. After it gone through the compiler, then the file created will be ROS executable files. As we explained before, these two nodes can communicate with each other using DDS pipeline. DDS means data distribution service. So these two nodes can communicate with each other using this pipeline. The main specialty of this pipeline is it is secured. Since in ROS2 we have data security feature. Nodes normally have three ways to communicate with each other using DDS pipeline. The first one is publisher subscriber model. So now we have to get inside this publisher subscriber model and we will be understanding how this publisher subscriber method is working. Understanding, here we can consider two nodes or two ROS executable programs. One is a camera driver node and another one is object detector node. There is two nodes. If one node want to communicate with another one, like if the camera driver node want to send data to the object detector node, it can publish this data inside a channel, or this channel is called as topic, by utilizing this DDS pipeline. So here the camera driver is sending images to object detector through a topic called camera. So we can put any name for this, and we are sending these messages as images. So the message type here it is images. Image. Publisher subscriber node, there is no limitation like how many subscriber it could have. If one topic is publishing, if there is lot of nodes which need this image data, they all can subscribe to this particular topic or this particular channel called camera. Whoever subscribe to this particular channel or this particular topic will receive this same data. It is similarly like WhatsApp broadcast message.